This is Ethan. Ethan is the head mechanic at Dreamcycle. He's good at a lot of things, but he's really good at making bikes nice. This is Ethan's new bike. Somebody's old bike too. A Craigslist special, quill-stemmed, cantilever brake, 1991 Kona Explosif. The first thing he did was make it pink, of course. And the second thing he did was replace the bars with ones that actually might fit him. Luckily, this bar ended up ticking a lot of boxes for him. This bar is like the modern version of this bar. It's got a 31.8mm clamp and it's really wide. Ethan's also running 8.5 inches of exposed seat post. Anyways, there's a nicely worn in, reissued flight saddle, a modern microshift thummy with friction shifting capabilities, and he's also gone from 3 chainrings up front to 1 really nice CNC Blackspire narrow wide, which keeps the chain glued to this wide range 1x10 speed Shimano drivetrain. Yeah. Ethan's bike is a good mix of old and modern parts that complement each other well. Except for these. Sometimes the parts bin only gets you 1 set of nice brakes and 1 set of these. They're still Shimano, but they're not M739 Shimano. You know, the same M739 caliper that his friend thought was cool too and held in his parts bin. So, this is Ethan's new, old, repainted, rebuilt 1991 Kona Explosif. This time with matching brakes. They were set up perfectly, of course, because Ethan set them up. Nice bike, Ethan.